Right, today we're here in Derby at Mashtag's meet and greet, and I bought some jerk chicken, and today I'm gonna try jerk chicken. Got Reese with me, Rim,
Bruh.
come on man. Okay, let's get into it, straight into the thing. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
Gotta tell me bro, what's it?
Try the rice and peas first.
Rice and peas first, yeah? Okay. Nah, that's kidney beans, right?
Yeah. Okay, now, what's it saying, Souch? What's it saying? Okay.
A little bit dry.
It's okay, Souch. It's okay.
But it's good, it's good.
Now try that jerk chicken.
Alright, try the jerk chicken, okay. Ow.
What's that jerk saying? What's that jerk saying? It's well seasoned,
nice.
isn't it?
Yeah.
It's well seasoned. Yeah.
Oh, it's smoky, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Better than traditional chicken.
Yeah, that's nice. I'll give the jerk chicken SMUNG tier.
Hey.
But the rice a little bit dry.
Gotta talk about the juice.
Oh yeah.
Gotta talk about the juice now. Souch, he got the wrong type of juice. He went to a Caribbean shop. Yeah, he didn't get the bigger juice. Okay, that's a red card right there. Supposed to get either a grape soda.
I needed a little bit of Coke, you know what I mean? Wash down the jerk chicken, the dry rice. It's meant to be dry.
Oh yeah, but I think he put mainly the sauce on the chicken.
Ah, that's what it is.
You should have put it a bit more on the rice. You're basically having rice with no gravy or anything. Okay? But what's the jerk tasting like?
Jerk is peng, bro.
Shout out to SMUNG, bro.